guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tiffany, and today's video, it's going to be my part 2 of my Christmas haul. In the first part, I shared with you guys what I got for my DIY and crafts projects. And then this part is going to be all the decorations. So we've got plates, table runners, picks, signs, all kinds of indoor stuff. And then I'm also sharing with you what I got for my outside of my house. I've got some lights, some inflatables, some outdoor signs, and things like that. So if you guys want to see what I got, then please keep watching. All right guys, let's get started. We've got a lot to go over. If you guys didn't check out my Christmas shop with me, I will link it down below and above so you guys can go see where I went. A lot of the stuff is from that shopping trip. I did buy some things online, and most of it is from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Home Depot, Home Goods, got some things from Kohls and some things from Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. All right, let's start with the big things first. I'm gonna try to keep everything from the same stores together so I'm not bouncing around, but there is so much. So first off, got these gingham ornaments. These are gonna be for my gingerbread tree. These did come from Hobby Lobby. Next is this set of ornaments, of red and white ornaments. This also came from Hobby Lobby. Now I got everything from Hobby Lobby half off. If I can find it on the website, I will link it down below for you guys, but pretty simple, red and white. Next is this blanket. I did get this from Home Goods. It's red, white, and gray plaid. It's very fluffy and very soft. Next from Home Goods are these red and white striped peppermint trees. They do have sequins and they do come off. They do shed a little bit, but that's all right. These were $9 each. Okay, next from Home Goods are these red trays. They were both $7.99. Nice little platters. I have some glass cloches that I'm gonna probably put on top and put maybe a little scene inside of them, we'll see. And lastly from Home Goods is this really cute gingerbread man cookie jar. He was $12.99, good price. Okay, next up is this gingerbread man Nutcracker. I got him from Hobby Lobby. Again, he was half off. How cute is he? And then from Hobby Lobby again, I got these green little trees. They were super cheap. I think these were only $4 each with the half off. These are gonna go on top of my cabinets with my gingerbread kitchen. And next up from Walmart, I found these beauties. These are red velvet reindeer. They're so cute. There's 2 of them in there. And when I saw them online, I thought they were gonna be much smaller, but they are really large. So I will have to go back and get some more of these. They were only like $12.98, so they're a really good price. Love them. Okay, next from Hobby Lobby is this cute gingerbread man sign. It says, "You can't catch me." He's gonna go on top of my kitchen cabinets as well. And the last sign that I got for inside was this gingerbread street. I'm sure you've seen this before. I've been wanting this last year. I couldn't find it. It was sold out and sold out online, but this year, got it. Next up are these really cute gingerbread ornaments. There are 4 of them. And then next up from Hobby Lobby is this gingerbread man garland. It's so adorable with the little gingerbread girls and boys on there. Nice, good size. He's gonna go in my kitchen too. These are probably my favorite find at Hobby Lobby. I first found the girl, so I had to go back looking for the boy, but I got him. So cute, love them. Again, these are gonna go in my kitchen. And I found this. I'm gonna turn my little coffee station there into a little coffee hot cocoa bar. So I've got some cute little signage. And you can never have enough of these. I got 2 packs of these from Hobby Lobby. They do have them at the Dollar Tree. They're exactly the same price, so just grab them because I was there. Then I've got a couple things from Dollar Tree I'll share with you real quick. I got 2 of these. I thought they were cute. I will probably go back and get more. I don't know where I'm gonna use these yet, but I thought they were adorable. And then this was a score. The lady was just putting them out and she only had like 5 of them. I should have got more, but it's this cute little gnome. And he's a good weight. He definitely feels like he should be like at least $5. Like he's a good size and heavy and good quality for the Dollar Tree. All right, and now from Kohls, I got this really cute peppermint runner. I'm either gonna use this on my dining room table or on my island, I don't know yet. And then from Kohls, I got these gingerbread little side plates. These are gonna go on my island as well. Again, from Kohls are these peppermint plates. I am gonna display these on top of my kitchen counters, so I only got a couple, but I thought they were really cute. I will link these down below if I can still find it on Kohls' website. Okay, now I'm gonna get into the ornaments and the picks. I got a ton of ornaments from Hobby Lobby, and I got a lot of picks from there as well. I got a few from Dollar Tree, but majority of it is from Hobby Lobby. So first, I got these cute little peppermint candy ornaments. Now I do have 2 of these already. I just got 2 more. So it's a little gingerbread men on the little tray. And then I got 4 of these. They're exactly the same. They're like the little gingerbread cookie ornaments. I got 4 of those to add to my gingerbread tree. Next up is 2 boxes of the lollipop ornaments from Hobby Lobby. I already got into this one just so I could see. Those are really cute. 2 bags of the gumdrop ornaments from Hobby Lobby as well. And then 2 of the little candy ornaments, the hard candy ornaments. So all of those candy ornaments are for my gingerbread kitchen. It is gonna be like a gingerbread or Candyland kind of theme. I'm filming my DIYs as we speak, so stay tuned. They will be coming up right after this video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Next, I got a ton of these little peppermint picks from Hobby Lobby, and then more peppermint picks from Hobby Lobby. These were the best deal. They were like 50 cents each, so I went a little crazy. More picks from Hobby Lobby. This is for my gingerbread kitchen as well. These red and white berry picks from Hobby Lobby. Got a ton of those. And then lastly, I got these picks from Hobby Lobby. I got 4 of them. Like the candy, the holly, the ornaments, really pretty. And then from Dollar Tree, I did get these picks here. Got 2 of these and 2 of these. Dollar Tree I went to was kind of already picked over as far as picks, so I need to go back and try to get some more. All right, guys, that's all of the indoor decorations. Now I'm gonna take you over and I'm gonna show you all the outdoor decorations. It is quite a bit, and I'm still getting stuff in the mail, but this is the majority of what I'm doing this year, so let's go. Okay, the first thing I got from Walmart is this Merry Christmas sign. It is really large, as you can see, up against my wall. There were so many choices, it was hard to pick which one I wanted, but I ended up going with this one. All right, next, also from Walmart, is this yard sign. I thought it was adorable. They had like 6 different options, but I really liked the elf and the candy cane theme, so I went with him. Next is this little reindeer sleigh ride sign. It was like $5. It was adorable, I had to have it too. Also from Walmart. Then from Walmart, I also got 4 of these 9-foot branch garlands. They were less than $3. They are kind of sparse, but they are gonna be for outside, so it's gonna be perfect. And then again from Walmart, I got this hanging on Santa. He's gonna hang off of our roof. It's adorable, it's $15. He's gonna look so cute. It's almost gonna look like he's trying to climb inside. And then from Home Depot, I got this Nutcracker. So cute. He's 3 feet tall and he lights up. You can see there, he lights up a little bit. I thought he was so cute. He's gonna go by my front door. And then from Home Depot, I got 3 boxes of the 300 count iridescent Christmas lights for outside. And then 3 boxes of the 100 count multi Christmas lights. And then from Home Depot, I got this inflatable set. It is a Santa, a Christmas tree, and a snowman. It's adorable. It's gonna go in my front yard. And then from Wayfair, I got this LED projector. It's really cool. There's like 5 or 6 different colors. You can change it. There's different settings. I will link that down below if you guys are interested. And then from Wayfair, I got this really pretty wreath. It's gonna go on my front door. Also from Wayfair is this welcome doormat. Thought it was really cute with the Christmas tree. I haven't seen anything like it. These light up gift boxes. I did get 2 of these. I also got them from Wayfair. They do light up. They're really cute. And last but certainly not least, I got a bunch of these candy canes from Dollar Tree. Some of these are for DIY projects and some of them are for my yard. I will have to go back to Dollar Tree to get more. I didn't get enough, but I thought these were cute for only $1. Can't beat it. All right, guys, that wraps up today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I got. Don't forget to check out my part 1 so you can see all the DIY and craft supplies that I had purchased. I will also link my shop with me video if you guys want to check that out. Make sure you hit that like button so I know you guys are enjoying my videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You don't want to miss any of my future Christmas videos. I have a ton coming. I'm working on a DIY as we speak. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.